Hey everyone, Alex here. So, I've been involved in crypto mining for roughly 2.5 years at this point, and just recently I did this massive research marathon, like 25, maybe 30 hours straight watching content about cloud mining services, basically trying to find what actually works versus what's fake. And honestly, I'm drained, because the vast majority of YouTubers they're advertising total scam apps. In their footage, everything appears perfect, operates smoothly, you see the mining and supposedly withdrawing, looks legit. Then you actually try it and there goes your money, just vanishes. The frustrating thing is there's very few reliable platforms remaining that do genuine cloud mining. Most of what's available, absolute junk, but a couple are still authentic, and CryptoHash is definitely one of them. So today I'm demonstrating exactly how this functions, the real platform, the complete process, so make sure you watch till the end. All right, let's get going. So first thing, I gotta pick which crypto I wanna mine here. Let me go with Tether here, yeah. But you've got like all the options here. Bitcoin, USDT, Tron, Solana, basically every major coin. I'm just doing USDT for this demo though. All right, clicking that. Good. Okay, so now it's asking for my receiving wallet address. So let me pull up Trust Wallet real quick. Where is it? Okay, here we go. So I'm just gonna copy my USDT address from here. Let me make sure I got the right one. Yeah, that's it. Switching back and just pasting it in this field. There we go, pretty simple. All right, now target amount. So I'm gonna set this to, let's see, here, this looks good. And now, okay, this part's actually kind of important. Hash power setting. So this is basically like how fast you want the mining to run. If you crank it higher, it finishes quicker but costs you more. If you go lower, it's cheaper but takes longer. So there's definitely a balance you got to think about here. For this, I'm going to set it to, yeah, somewhere in the middle. That looks reasonable. Cool. All right, so last step here, just going to hit start mining, clicking it now, and okay, there it goes. So now it's running. You can see like all the operations processing right here, progress bar moving, estimated time showing up, all that stuff. So at this point, I'm basically just letting it do its thing and waiting for it to complete. And okay, looks like we're done already. So mining just finished and I've generated USDT. All right, so from here, I've got two options. I can either start a whole new mining session or I can withdraw what I just made. But, and this is important, before they'll process the withdrawal, I gotta cover the infrastructure fee. You can see it all broken down right here on the screen. So yeah, just keep in mind there's a minimum 33 USDT infrastructure fee for using their mining resources. So you definitely want to factor that in when you're planning your sessions. But yeah, everything's laid out transparently, which is nice. So copying this payment address, just one moment. Good, now back to the platform, clicking I've paid, waiting for verification to complete. Okay, so while this goes through and I'm waiting for my tokens to show up, let me explain why this platform's actually trustworthy. So here's what happened to me. I've tested like 5 or 6 different cloud mining platforms over the past year and a half, and the pattern I kept seeing was this. They'd let you do one small withdrawal successfully to build trust. Then, when you deposit more for a bigger mining session, that's when things get sketchy. Either the platform suddenly has technical difficulties, or they invent new random fees you weren't told about, or customer support just stops replying entirely. Lost roughly $280 combined across different platforms learning this lesson. CryptoHash stands out because there's no bait and switch. The fee structure is the same whether it's your first session or your 20th. I've personally completed maybe 10 or 11 mining rounds now over the last several months, and every single one processed identically. No surprises, no sudden changes, no random account restrictions. Here's what I'd tell beginners. Don't chase the platforms advertising crazy high returns. If something promises like 200% profits in a week, it's a scam, period. Stick with platforms that have realistic rates and transparent fees, even if they seem boring. Anyway, if you're interested in checking this out, the link's in the description and pinned in the comments. Do your own homework, obviously, but yeah, this one's been consistent for me. If you found this valuable, smash that like button. Got questions? Drop them below. I actually read and respond. Later.